Friends, this is about a review of an app called Stocktwits. So this app will help you to track that stocks which you wish. So you can go to that search and then type, if you want to watch Amazon. So you can type there Amazon, and then you will find that. Then select that, and once it comes on the right hand top corner, you can see the watch. And once you hit that, it will add in your watch list, and you can go to the home page and you can see the watch list there. And when you select that particular stock, you can see that tweets about that, what people are discussing about that. So pretty much it is good to see and what people are thinking. And this is the rooms where you can join rooms and you can create rooms and discuss with your friends too. And there is a another called a stream. So if you go to that streams, you can see that watch list, what are you watching, and suggested trending. Here you can see that what and all talks going about that particular stock. And another option is chart, where you can see that charts people posted about that stocks. It's a very good app, so you can use it. Thanks for watching. Bye.